This is how I discovered who my great-grandfather really was. And this is how you can do it too.
There is a platform where you can search billions of historical records, uncovering hidden stories of your ancestors.
You start by entering a name, and the platform scans newspapers, birth notices, military documents, obituaries, everything.
I found this newspaper from 1898, reporting on a daring rescue my great-grandmother performed during a flood. She saved lives, and nobody in my family ever talked about it. You can explore African American newspapers from 1827 onwards. See military records, obituaries, slave records. It's all there.
I had been searching on other websites, but I couldn't find the stories or the records I was really looking for. Luckily, a friend told me about Genealogy Bank, and when I tried it, I was able to confirm that I actually have Native American relatives. So I traced my family back to the Cherokee Nation. I found birth notices, tribal newspaper articles. First of all, it completely changed the way I see myself. It also pushed me to learn more about a culture I didn't really know before, and in a way, to feel proud of it. I can't wait to share this with my parents and my daughter.
You think you know a lot about your family, but in reality, you have no idea. And trust me, you're going to be truly amazed if you dig a little deeper.
Yesterday, I was curious and decided to search my last name. And among the articles and photographs the platform found, I discovered that my great-grandfather, he was apparently the champion Charleston dancer of our city in 1923. I've been a dancer my whole life, in a family full of engineers. I always felt like the odd one out, but now I understand where it all comes from and why it's in my blood.
Here's how you can do it. Step 1, enter your name. Step 2, discover hidden stories. Step 3, explore collections organized by time, place, and ethnicity, from African American newspapers dating back to 1827 to Native American tribal publications spanning over 300 years.
It's your turn to discover the story and genealogy of your family. Remember, you can use this platform completely free for 7 days if you click the link. Uncover your own story.